What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to do short full locks on long to medium hair. I have a total of 13 braids in my hair. If you want more locks, you could do more locks, but you know, this video is mostly for demonstration purposes, so I'm not going to be doing more parts in my hair. But if you want them to be smaller, you could definitely do them smaller. So if you're interested in learning how to do them, stay tuned. So I am using Marley hair. This is a hair that I used in a previous video to do a style, and I didn't throw it away, so I'm just going to be using it. So you're just going to open up the hair a little bit, fluff it out a little bit, and then you can crochet it in, or you could just put it in as is. The crochet method would probably be better and more durable, but no, when I'm ready to take it out, I just want to be quick. I want it to be quick to take it out, so I'm gonna show you. So the first thing you're going to do is bend your hair so. If you want it to be shorter, which you probably don't, you could just keep bending your hair like so, right? But I don't want it to be that short. I want it to be like right here. Okay, so you're going to bend the hair and secure your hair folded in half. So like right here, like so. And then you're going to just bend the little tail and then spin it around. Make sure to fluff out the hair a little bit. And then you're going to spin it around and then come down. Spin around and come down. You are going to run out of hair, probably around here. So when you run out of hair, you're just going to take this other side and go over the part that you run out of hair, like so, and then come down. And then go back up. So I'm going to go ahead, do the same thing. but I wanted them to be jumbo and I didn't want to spend too much time with them. But if you have longer hair and you wanted to do a short faux locks, this is how you do it. And that's pretty much why I kept them this big. It's just for the video purpose so that y'all could see how I did it. If you like this style, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.